Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here today we study that is image formation by concave lens. Before this video lecture, I am completing one topic of image formation by convex lens. Today we start one topic here, image formation by concave lens. Dear student, you know here concave lens is diverging lens. Divergence of light takes place from the concave lens. Means refracted ray goes away from each other, that is called divergence of light. Here in this my video lecture we can study that is rules used to draw the ray diagrams that image formation by concave lens. Which rules can be used here? Just like dear student, you know we study the rules which are used to draw the diagram by using the convex lens. Three rules are there. Here also we can study that is three rules. That is three rules are used here to draw the image formation or image of object of ray diagram by using the concave lens. Means you look here a rule number one. Rule number one. What is rule number one? We can study the diagram here. Look, there is a concave lens. Look here. Concave lens, here optical center O, then here principal axis, here F2, then 2F2, here F1 and here 2F1. Dear student, according to rule number 1, if that light ray parallel to principal axis, rule number 1, if light ray parallel to principal axis, a refracted ray appears to comes from the focus. In this way, a refracted ray appears to comes from the focus. That is a rule number 1. Means in this way, here what is rule number 1? When light ray parallel to principal axis refracted ray appears to comes from focus. Refracted ray appears to comes from focus, and we can denote just by dot lines. Means in this way, that is rule number 1. When light ray parallel to principal axis, then refracted ray appears to comes from the focus. This focus means that is the rule number 1. Then what is rule number 2? How we study the rule number 2 or rule number 2? Rule number 2. Here we can draw the diagram in this way. Here a concave lens, here optical center O, then you know here a principal axis, here F2, then 2F2, here F1 and 2F1. What is rule number 2? Dear student, imagine here there is a light ray directed towards focus. Light ray directed towards focus in this way, then refracted ray parallel to principal axis. Then refracted ray parallel to principal axis. Look here, dear student, light ray directed towards focus, then refracted ray parallel to principal axis. Look towards the direction of that light rays. There is a rule number 2, means when light ray directed towards focus, then refracted ray parallel to principal axis. refracted ray parallel to principal axis, that is rule number second. Look here, that is light ray directed towards focus, then refracted ray parallel to principal axis, that is rule number second. Rule number first, rule number second. Dear student, what is rule number 3? Rule number 3. What is rule number 3? Look here. Here a concave lens, and here optical center O. Then you know that is a principal axis. Here F2, then 2F2. Here F1 and 2F1. F1 and 2F1. Look here, dear student, when light ray passes from optical center O, light ray passes from optical center O, it passes undeviated in this way. Refracted ray no change the direction. Means any light ray which is passes from the optical center O, it passes undeviated without changing the direction. Means in this way, here rule number 3, when light ray passes from optical center, it passes undeviated. Means without changing the direction. Means in this way, that is rule number 3. When light ray passes from optical center, it passes undeviated. Dear student, we can use all these 3 rules to draw the diagram, ray diagram of image formation by concave lens, and is a very important topic in this chapter of light. Thanks.